She loves me a lot. This is my fit for today. What's up, Zen? Oh, go. Marshu is there. He's with his.
Fuck it. I don't talk near females.
Fine. Explain
camera
the
down.
script.
Put the camera down. I will explain the script only if you put the camera down. This is not recordable.
Oh, really?
It is illegal to record this.
Damn.
It is copyrighted.
You know what's really cool about this camera? Oh, watch this.
Oh shit. That's good zoom, but your hands are not steady.
It's not easy to,
Keep your hands
keep your hands steady in that much zoom.
Okay,
It's
come
crazy
on.
though.
Put the camera.
Zen, what are we doing?
We are analyzing our old movie to make a better new movie. Yes.
Sitting in the kids section of crossword.
That doesn't matter.
Why did you do? Shit. Someone's there. He left. Zen is leaving. But who cares when you've got this sick ass BMW? But it's electric though. Oh no.
I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit.
That. I'm on ground floor. They're constructing. Okay. I was talking to Zen. He plays football. I think their exams just got over. That's good. Zen is coming. He was lost for a while.
One time you want recording.
For zooming.
Okay.
Yeah. Camera. Come, let me show you around my apartment. My dad owns this place. Frame it properly, man. You're not holding it properly.
If I stop holding the record button, will it stop recording?
Were you holding the button? Don't
Yeah.
hold the button.
Okay, now it says it's recording.
You weren't even recording.
Okay, now it's
You're
start.
supposed to press the button. This apartment.
Start.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to my apartment. As you can see, these towers, those towers. Show them now. Those towers. Zoom into that place. Yeah, you know how to zoom. Show them that tower. Yeah. All of this belongs to me. My grandfather built this single-handedly with his 2 hands and his legs. Let me take you around my own place. Hold
And
it
we're supposed to
properly,
meet
man.
Rudraksh.
Yeah, we're supposed to meet. Okay. We will continue the recording after we meet Rudraksh.
No, it's going on till you go there.
Pause. Bro, it doesn't have that.
Wait, just give me a second, man.
Dude, don't put it in there. take, you record.
Okay, we'll shut
It's already recording, You didn't even zoom in, man.
I did.
Zoom out, bro. You can't see him. Yeah. Now you can see him.
Now go run to him.
Hi guys, you're not recording properly. Hi guys, you're zoomed into my face. Zoom out. Yeah. What's up guys? As you can see, Rudraksh is here. He looks different. Don't do that, bro. He looks different. This is because he is different. He's not chubby anymore. Oh, he is still chubby.
Yeah.
He is still chubby.
Oh, okay, alright, bro.
What is this? This is not normal.
This
Dude, he's doing the GTA walk.
Three area
Yeah,
show
I
to
know.
have.
This is not normal, Rudra.
He checked his phone. He checked it again.
He's gonna keep walking with
Probably
his phone.
texting him.
He's gonna keep walking with
He's
his
looking at his phone and he's walking. His chain is out.
His chain-
Damn, he has biceps, bro. Holy shit.
He got a haircut.
Yeah,
Oh, he has earphones on. He probably was changing his song.
probably.
Rudraksh, go embrace him.
Let him come here, bro. I'm not getting up. I'm not walking, bro. I'm too lazy.
Go, man. Go, 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 go. Rudraksh, go, 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 go.
Did you just say Rudra?
What's up, bro? How are you? Holy shit, what the fuck? Sorry. Bro, what is wrong with you, Sean? Why are you
What's wrong
bumping
with
into
me?
random ladies, bro? What's up with that, bro?
Hi, Sean. I'm also here.
Stop
Bro, now that
recording me.
now that you got
Sean.
a party, you're not just gonna bump into random ladies.
Sean, me and Zind are also here.
Now,
Stop recording me.
Sean,
don't
Sean.
recording here. Don't
Sean,
record
give
him.
me-
He's
give me-
camera shy.
Yeah.
He's camera shy.
I think it's still recording. Is it
He's
still recording? Hi, it is.
introvert.
Don't do that. Don't. Hi, bro.
Yo.
Stop.
He's
Good luck,
INFP.
yes.
Do not record him.
Yeah. Guys, this is wait. Don't leave.
I don't want
Look up.
to record. No.
Sean. Up, Sean.
guys-
Bro, I'm not gonna post on social media. This is only for me.
He doesn't want you knowing your future self knowing what he looks like.
Wait, I'll do it. Then you should probably say hi to Sean.
I met him like a month after. Nigga, my slipper.
Sean. Why did you do that?
Okay, stop.
I started recording.
What's up?
Hey.
Welcome back to my vlog. Today we have here with us guest celebrity Sean.
Whoa, Sean, say hi.
It costs, listen here, look here. It costs like 130 rupees per minute for to get him to speak. So like we didn't want
Oh,
to
it's expensive.
Yeah, we can't afford that. But like here we have Zen. We
Hi,
can afford
Zen.
him. Hi.
How much does he cost?
Wait, come back here.
Yeah.
So like we went on the street, right? We just wanted to get someone to talk for us. We found him. We told him we'll give him like one cigarette, and he understood. Yeah.
Zen, were you sold for a cigarette?
Not sold for a cigarette, bro. That's sold for a cigarette. But
But
Look at my chappals.
he's gonna do this. He's gonna
No, actually, look at my chappals.
look at his chappals.
Don't take my feet. Why do you want feet picked now? They're just weird.
all right, back to
Sorry,
here.
back to him.
Hello.
Yeah.
We're going to ask him some questions. Come here.
Bro, I have to go eat. It's 1 minute, 2 minutes.
We pay you 10 rupees.
2 minutes.
Okay, now we are going to focus on Sean for a while.
Sean. Interesting
Just like-
specimen.
Take in the beauty of it all.
What is he doing perhaps?
Whoa, he's drinking Coke.
What is
This is
on
what
the
a real
table?
man looks like. Why are you afraid of that? Only he's going to see that. Why are you afraid of that also? Why are you so socially conscious?
Guys, don't worry. Sean is kind of scared of the camera.
No, listen, we are going to ask him some real questions.
You know, Sean-
What is the reason behind your like, lack of confidence?
I
Why are you so conscious in life? Like, you gotta just let go. You gotta chill out. What the fuck is this? You gotta chill out. Met Coke, no ice. I don't think he's gonna chill out. Okay, so now we gotta wait, pass time till Zen comes back. So I'm going to record you now.
Okay. You can open this if it's hard for you to see it.
No, I can see it.
Yeah. And then this one is for Zoom.
What?
Up.
Oh.
Yeah. What's up, guys? I'm gonna be taking over the vlog now. I am Navankar. These are my glasses.
Hey, I'm back.
Zen is back with his pizza.
I was trying to zoom into him, but I lost him. Yeah.
Yes.
Look at his beautiful
What questions
eyes.
did you have?
What questions did you have?
Okay. Now we're gonna have a Q&A with Zen Engineer. If you get this out, just push this one in. Like that. Yeah. Okay. So Zen, question number 1. How much did your food cost?
114.
Show me.
That's not mine, man. That's yours.
That's ours. He crumbled off his
What,
bill.
what all did you get for 140? Let's see it. Yo,
That's
we got
exclusive.
oregano.
I don't think you.
Oregano.
I don't think you get this anywhere.
Yeah, that's rare.
And he got margarita pizza.
I was zooming into it, but he closed it. What the hell is wrong? You can't even see his face with the amount of zoom. Yeah. What is wrong with you? Aw, that's so cute. Isn't that so cute?
Even I'll do a cute thing. I can't. Wait.
It is physically impossible for you.
Do that thing.
I think you both should kiss.
That's haram.
Yeah.
It's Ramadan. I mean, the fasting is going on right now. That's why I'm not eating, as you can see.
Zoom in here. Zoom in here. Hey, nigga. Zoom in here.
Yeah, see, where is it?
That's not my food. That's not my food.
That is
I'm
Nick's.
fasting.
That's Nick's food.
I'm fasting.
It's butter, pepper, pig noodles.
Oh. What do you have to say about this?
That's double hum. And it has alcohol in it. The noodles.
I am not Muslim. Sean.
And antisocial guy.
Sean.
Fuck off.
He's open to this food. Shit. This is exclusive footage.
What's your order number? 26?
Dude, he's opening his food. I think he opened it.
Is Scott's 20? Oh fuck. Is Scott's your order number?
What is that? I don't know what COTS is.
Ask them. Rudraksh, ask them what Scott's is.
What is spots?
I said them.
Actually, I'm good, bro.
Give me.
I'm going started. Alright, so this over here is chili garlic noodles, I suppose. This is butter pepper garlic noodles. And that is Zen.
Hi,
He's
Zen.
the most delicious snack on this table right now.
Ooh, damn.
And this is his thing.
The snack is eating a food.
Yeah, that's Sean. He's the second most delicious, but I don't know.
What is he eating?
Mac cheese.
Sean, could you show us what you're eating?
Look at that. It's a
Damn.
burger.
It's a burger.
It has bread and it has chicken.
Okay. I think we should start eating.
Yeah.
Say bye, Zen.
Wait, we have these sauces. Wait, we didn't.
Oh, we have the sauces.
These are goated
Goated sauces.
with the sticks.
Because they have been milked by goats. What? Milked from goats. I'm gonna end.
I basically just laughed myself out, that's all it is.
Do it. Hi, Rudraksh.
Hi guys. How are we doing today?
Where are we going, Zen?
We are going to shop.
Doesn't really matter, bro.
Go to your friends.
You mean like a chakka place? No. There's a Budweiser and a fucking Madhuroka near me. I can't buy from there. That's the last Friday.
Just hearing this all on camera, by the way.
It's gonna report me.
I miss you.
Honey, honey pie. Honey,
Only singer. Oh, Dominic.
Hi, Rudraksh. Oh, what's that behind you? Oh, damn. That's a pretty cool car. Oh, here's Rudraksh with his milkshake. But what's that behind you? Go, 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 go.
Changed the fucking head.
Go, 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 go. Rudraksh.
Half of them, wait. Go full speed. Get out, what are you doing, Sean? What's wrong with you? Sean, Sean, what is wrong with you? That doggy.
ये आपको पता है कि कैमरा की निगरानी में आप लोग हैं। ये देखिए ऊपर में कैमरा है। इधर भी नहीं दिखा।
किधर भैया?
देखो देखो
किधर?
पूरा हाइट देखो पूरा हाइट।
Oh, who are them?
Oh, that one. Oh, that one is gonna see us.
कैमरा नहीं रहता है दुआई कीजिए मुश्किल नहीं है लेकिन चारों तरफ कैमरा लगा हुआ है।
Sorry, भैया.
Did you see the camera?
I didn't see it. Over here, smokes coconut trees. Over there.
I don't give a shit.
Oh! Sean suddenly got a mushroom cut.
What the?
What?
Ah!
Sorry.
Bro, this is
Just put your head up.
most
Like the
most normal Mallu behavior.
Yeah. Look up.
What is that face? Sean, do that face again.
This is the old Sean, bro. We got old Sean back.
Sean, let's see. Do the old Sean. Do the old Sean.
Smile, bro. See, genuine smile. There with your teeth.
Sean, come on, bro. Get the no. What is that gang sign?
Without the gang sign, that's literally old Sean, bro. So like.
God. I have to.
Alright.
We are going home now.
Both of us are going home now.
I'm in Rudraksh's auto
Yes.
because we are going to go to my house.
Yeah.
Yeah. This was not a very enthusiastic video.
Okay.
I just nodded.
This is that final goodbye video, maybe, perhaps. But like for now, it is, maybe this is the last time we ever see each other.
I don't think so.
Yeah. Surely it isn't.
Yeah.
Surely. I'm
won't be.
definitely gonna come meet him again. Yeah,
He's gonna come tomorrow.
yeah I'm definitely, yeah.
Okay. Peace. Bye.